In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable JavaScript on a Samsung phone. First, let's start by opening the Samsung Internet app on your phone. You can find the app icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. It typically looks like a globe or a blue circle with a white swirl inside. Tapping on this icon will launch the browser. This step is essential as it allows you to access the settings needed to enable JavaScript. By ensuring you have the correct browser open, you set the stage for the following steps and ensure a smoother browsing experience. Once the app is open, look for the three horizontal lines or dots which usually appear in the lower right corner of the screen. This is the menu icon, and tapping it will reveal a list of options. From here, you need to tap on the Settings option. This menu provides access to various customization features available in the Samsung Internet app. Accessing the settings is a crucial step because it allows you to modify how the browser behaves, particularly regarding JavaScript, which is essential for many websites to function correctly. Now that you are in the Settings menu, scroll down until you see the option labeled Sites and Downloads. This section is where you can manage permissions for websites you visit. Tap on Sites and Downloads to proceed. This step is important as it directly relates to the permissions that control JavaScript functionality. By navigating to this section, you are one step closer to enabling JavaScript, which enhances your web experience by allowing interactive elements on pages to work properly. Next, you will see a list of options under Sites and Downloads. Look for Site Permissions and tap on it. This section contains settings that determine what websites can and cannot do when you visit them. It is crucial to find this setting because it governs whether scripts like JavaScript are allowed to run on your device. By locating and tapping on Site Permissions, you ensure you're adjusting specific settings that will optimize your browsing experience. Now you should see various permission options, including one for JavaScript. Look for the toggle switch labeled Allow JavaScript. It may be set to off by default. To enable JavaScript, simply tap the toggle switch to turn it on. This action is vital because enabling JavaScript allows websites to load dynamic content, enhancing interactivity and user experience. Once you toggle it on, you will see a confirmation that JavaScript is now allowed, ensuring that your settings are applied correctly. After turning on the JavaScript option, take a moment to ensure everything is set correctly. You may want to revisit the previous settings to confirm that JavaScript is indeed enabled. This verification process is essential because it confirms that your changes are saved and active. You should see no errors or discrepancies. If all looks good, you can now close the settings menu and return to browsing. With JavaScript enabled, you can now enjoy a more dynamic and interactive web experience. Many websites rely on JavaScript for essential functions such as forms, animations, and real-time updates. By enabling this feature, you ensure that your browsing experience is as seamless as possible. Remember, if you encounter any issues, you can always revisit these settings to make adjustments as needed. Thank you for following along in this tutorial on how to enable JavaScript on a Samsung phone. Enjoy your enhanced browsing experience.